I'm starting to finish up some of my wiring here, and here's an example. Okay, my tail lights and fuel pump wiring. See, that's real nice, all wrapped up here. There's my ground. Hey, that's loose. Need to tighten that up. Okay, and here is my wiring harness. It's only 5 wires. Here's the plug. Real easy to take apart. Real nice, like you'd put on a trailer or something. See this skinny little set of wires? They go up here. It used to be a couple big fat cables that came back here, but this is where I stopped. Okay, I got to clean all this up. I'm not going to start it. I'm just going to, I'll turn the the lights on here. Just want to walk around and show you. I'm just going to start cleaning up in there. Out here, looking real good. The wires here, this wire right here is for the fuel pressure or oil pressure. Goes down there. It'll go up under here with this group of wiring. See, it's real long right here. I'll just cut this off. And it goes through that little grommet. Real nice. Good for your temperature gauge. Right here, factory temperature gauge. Got it working again. Okay, haven't done much over here today, but got some work to do here to clean this up. See how much room I got here? You know what? I will start it up. Okay, I got to work over here. The computer and these wires that I have cut that are no longer needed. I'll go in here and remove these wires. Okay. Air conditioning stuff. There's different things I got rid of. Wiring really looks, I'm real happy with it back here. This goes behind this gray piece right here, and this will just tuck down in here. It'll just drop long enough to drop right down in there. If you ever have any problems with wiring, you know, tail lights, but they look really good. Oh, might want to hook the battery up. Okay. Looks like a Christmas tree here. There it is. And turn signals. See how bright those are? Hey, there's my helper. Okay, let's see here. Oh, I know what I wanted to show you. I got me some power winders. Check it out. I had done that. The wiring harness I made for that a few months ago really helped me out. I had one wire right here to hook up, and my windows started working. Let's see what else. That's pretty much it. You know, I just tap the key and it's going to run.